yeah. Don't show your dreams to everyone around. Somewhere a smile, but hope you fall down. Move in silence, don't make a sound. Let your victories echo through the town. Don't show your dreams to everyone around. Somewhere a smile, but hope you fall down. Move in silence, don't make a sound. Let your victories echo through the town.
I don't run for attention, I run for my goals. Building every vision while guarding my soul. Every setback turned into another lesson. Hard work and faith became my greatest weapon. I move in silence, let the outcome speak. Getting a little stronger every single week. They questioned every road that I chose to take. Now they're watching every record that I break.
Stay patient, hold your faith. Every seed has its perfect day. Walk with purpose, lift your head. Greatest dreams are quietly led. Don't show your dreams to everyone around. Somewhere a smile, but hope you fall down. Move in silence, don't make a sound. Let your victories echo through the town.
Work with wisdom, never raise the clock. Every small step adds another block. Patience is strength when the vision is clear. Every new season starts right here. No easy roads, no shortcuts found. Strong foundations never break down. When they ask me how I made it through, faith and discipline carried me through.
Don't tell your story, let your journey shine. Every mountain is climbed in time. Somewhere a smile, but hope you fall down. Move in silence, don't make a sound. Let your victories echo through the town. Rise with courage, stand your ground. Your day is coming, hold it down. Move in silence, let your victory speak.